In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the League of Legends issue where the game gets stuck on the tutorial patching screen or the patching button is not working. So just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open League of Legends, and if the game is stuck or the patching button is not responding, what you want to do next is go down to your taskbar and right-click on it, and then click on Task Manager. Now, once Task Manager opens, you want to look for all League of Legends related processes, so anything that says League of Legends Riot Client or similar, and once you find them, just right-click on each one and select End Task. Make sure you close all of them. Now, after ending all the processes, just open League of Legends again and check if the issue is fixed. Now, if the problem is still not fixed, what you want to do next is open the Windows menu and search for CMD. And once you see Command Prompt, just right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Now, when the command prompt opens, you want to type this command, ipconfig/flushdns, and then press Enter. Now, after that, type this next command, netsh int ip reset, and press Enter. Now lastly, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Now once all the commands are done, just close the command prompt and restart your PC. And after the restart, open League of Legends again. Now at this point, the tutorial stuck and patching issue should be fixed and the game should load normally. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.